Well, welcome to my instructional video, everybody. I'm Enoskan Dahangu. I am English teacher in SMA Negeri 1 Gahareagu. Here I am asked to make a video regarding on giving a direction about how to do something or how to operate equipment in office or something like that. In this moment, I'm interested to give you the direction about how to transfer data from computer to flash drive. As we know that flash drive is very important in office, especially if we want to copying or transferring data from computer to another computer. Copying files to USB drive is incredibly simple, even if it is your first time using the flash drive or using one. Actually, there are many ways to transfer data from computer to USB drive or flash drive, and here are the one way to do that. First of all, navigate to the folder that contains the files you like to copy by opening the Explorer, or also called File Explorer, by pressing Win key plus E in your keyboard, or you can directly left click this folder icon on toolbars. Scroll through the list of drivers and folders on the left until you find the one that contains the file you want to save to your USB drive. Usually personal files are often stored in documents, or sometimes we call my documents, and if you looking for photos or music you have saved to your computer, try to looking the pictures or music folders here. And the second, plug in the USB flash drive into a USB port in the computer. USB ports are located in different places depending on your computer. Sometimes desktop computers often have their ports on the front panel of the unit. So sometimes you will find them on the rear or of the monitor. Laptops generally have USB ports on both sides of the devices, and depends on the kinds of the laptop. Next, the third step is find a place on your USB drive to store the copied files. You can copy files to any folder on the USB drive, or your system popped up a dialog box a few moments after the device was connected. One of the options should be open folder to view files. Click that link to arrive at the root or the main folder of your USB drive. Files can be copied right to this folder or to any folders you see here. If no Windows pops up, press the Win key plus E to open a new Explorer window. Then double click the name of your USB drive on the left side of the screen. It should be called something like USB drive or removable storage, or perhaps the name of its manufacturer, for example Enos Flash or something like that. Create a new folder with a memorable name will help you stay organized. To create a new folder on your USB drive, press Ctrl plus Shift and N, then type a folder name. Example, maybe you want to giving name like personal, photos, or music, or etc. Depends on what kind of word you can memorable. And then press enter. Double click the new folder to open it. And the next step is drag files, from the computer to the USB drive with both Explorer windows open, one to the computer, the other to the USB drive. Drag a file from the computer to the USB drive. Dragging a file to the USB drive will create a new copy of the file without deleting the original on the USB drive. To copy multiple files at once, hold down at the Ctrl key and single click each file. When all of the correct files are highlighted, click anywhere in the highlighted area and drag the group of files to the USB drive. You can also copy entire folders to your computer by dragging them in the same way. And the next, save and open file right to the USB drive. If you have a file open in program like Microsoft Word or Photoshop, you can save it directly to the USB drive without having to drag it between Explorer windows. Click File, then Save As, and select a save location on the USB drive. So that's all about how to save or transfer data into your flash drive or USB drive. And the last step is remember eject the drive safely. To ensure you don't harm the data on the USB drive, you will need to safely eject the drive. At the bottom right corner of the screen by the clock, find the USB icon. Depending on your version of Windows, it may have a green check mark over it and another kind of icons. You can right click the icon and then choose safely eject. When you see a confirmation that says it's safe to unplug your device, you can remove the USB drive from the port. And I think that's all how to transfer data from your computer to the USB drive and how to save the data into your flash disk or flash drive safely. And that's all.